Hello, my name is Nina and welcome to my Bonbonina channel. Today I made this beautiful, tasty, fantastic cake. Inside there is mango, yogurt mousse, yogurt and mango mousse, and also there is sponge cake with the ricotta cheese cream and also mango. It's very light, it's very delicious, not heavy, not too sweet. It's amazing and I highly recommend you make this cake. So let's make it together. I love making mousse cakes. It's always lots of flavor. You can add any flavor, any berry, any fruit, any decoration can be really creative. So mousse cakes, it's my favorite to make. But other cakes I love to be creative with also. So for this mousse cake, first we need to make a cake, sponge cake. So I already separated my eggs. There are egg whites, there are egg yolks. So first thing, as usual, I am going to whip my egg whites with half of sugar. Okay, my egg whites are foamy and I'm adding gradually my sugar. Okay, my egg whites are beautiful. They have like really soft peaks. Like not too soft, but you don't need like too hard like for meringue. Otherwise it will be hard to mix them together. And now I'm going to do the same thing. I need to whisk my egg yolks with the rest of sugar, and also I'm going to add vanilla to the egg yolks. My egg yolks are beautiful, and now gently I'm going to combine egg whites and egg yolks. As usual, I am doing it in a folding action. I'm picking from the bottom and up, from the bottom and up. Right, it's beautiful. And now, slowly, I'm going to sift my dry ingredients into my eggs. Little by little. And same thing, ever so gently, I am going to fold my dry ingredients into my eggs, trying not to deflate them. Alright, and now butter. But before I'm adding butter, I'm gonna add my dough to my butter. It will be easier for me to mix the butter and the dough all together. And now I'm adding it to the rest of the dough. And again, folding it all together very gently. Okay, my dough is ready, and I prepared my spring form. I sprayed an oil and dusted a little bit of flour, and now I'm moving my dough. Okay, my oven is preheated to 356 Fahrenheit, and it should take for about 20-25 minutes to bake, and I will let you know how long it will take me to bake this beautiful sponge. Now we're going to make cream for our cake. Cut my butter in small pieces and left it at the room temperature for a while. So now I am going to put it in my mixer. I'm going to soften my butter with my mixer. Butter is soft. How sweet do you want your cream? It's all up to you. So I've got here my powdered sugar. I am gonna add a couple of tablespoons, and then I'm gonna taste it, and I'm gonna see if I want to add more or that's enough. But if you want more, you add more. It's all up to how you like the taste. And now I'm adding ricotta cheese. So my ricotta is mixed with the butter, and now I'm adding a teaspoon of vanilla. And continue mixing. The cream feels a little bit dry, so I'm going to add just a little bit of cream. Alright, my cake is chilled, and now I'm going to move it to my mold. I put it right in the middle and I put it aside for a while. Okay, and now I'm going to make amazing mousse. So, first thing first, I already soaked my gelatin and I warmed up, heated a little bit my mango puree, and now I'm going to dissolve my gelatin in my warm mango puree. Alright, that's done. My gelatin is all dissolved and I put it aside for a while to cool down to the room temperature. And now I am going to whip my egg whites with the sugar. I need thick meringue with the stable peaks. Actually, I changed my mind. I am going to whip my egg whites in a smaller bowl, and I'm going to whip my cream in this bowl with this mixer, because there are not so many egg whites. And here I've got egg whites, and I'm going to whip them to a meringue with the stable peaks. My meringue is beautiful, and now I'm mixing my meringue with the mango puree with gelatin. I'm folding it together. Beautiful, smells so good. Alright, and here I've got Greek yogurt, just plain Greek yogurt, and I'm adding it to the whites and mango mixture. I told you this mousse is going to be amazing. I'm adding this mixture to the whipped cream, to the soft peaks. And I'm folding it all together, so this mixture is staying light and really nice. Right, and I'm going to pipe my mousse between the mold and the cake to make sure that mousse is going to fill everywhere. Right, and now I am going to shake it a little bit just to get rid of all bubbles and make sure that mousse is setting everywhere. Okay, I filled my mold with my beautiful mousse with mango, yogurt. It's gonna taste fantastic. And now I just took my small spatula and just leveled it so it's all even. That's it for today. It goes to freezer, and when it's frozen I am going to glaze it with the mirror glaze. So I'll see you soon. Okay. My cake is completely frozen. As you can see, it's beautiful. And now I'm going to decorate it with my mirror glaze. and my cake is ready. Look how beautiful. Just a simple white mirror glaze. You can decorate it as much as you want with anything you like, or just leave it at that, because I think that's beautiful. Well, the cake is ready, but it's still frozen. So if you want to eat it immediately, you just leave it to thaw at the room temperature for an hour, or if you want to eat it later, just put it in the fridge for a few hours and let it thaw slowly. And it's ready, and you can try it and enjoy it. It's beautiful yogurt, mango, ricotta cheese. It's very, very unusual and delicious cake. Believe me, I tried it before, I made it before, I love it. Please subscribe to my channel and please put your thumbs up. It's very important for me. I know it's silly, everyone is asking for it, but you know, my channel is very new, and the more you put your thumbs up, the more viewers I get, the more people interested in my channel I get. So right now it's very important for me. That's why I'm asking. Subscribe, put your thumbs up, ring a bell down below, and you'll get notifications about my future videos. I'll see you in my new videos.